Congratulations on your purchase of Shoppy Shop's Vital Vigor Patches. Our Vital Vigor Patches should not be confused with prescription drugs that may have similar names. They are not designed to treat or cure any disease. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. That said, adding Vital Vigor Patches to your health maintenance program can support your vitality. They feature glutathione and N-acetylcysteine, NAC, which support liver health and provide antioxidant protection, contributing to daily energy and overall wellness. For a secondary use, applying a patch 30 minutes before consuming alcohol may support your body's natural defenses, helping to minimize potential negative effects, including feelings of sluggishness. The ingredients are most effective with consistent use, building accumulating effects over 90 days. You may notice increased feelings of well-being. Use this to improve eating and exercise habits. Track your daily water intake, plain water only, no soda or juice. Aim for 8 to 10 cups. Proper hydration maximizes patch benefits, flushes toxins, and enhances health maintenance results. Add modest exercise to improve circulation, boosting your program's effectiveness. Note your daily walking or activity level. If low, increase gradually. Consult your physician if you have pre-existing health conditions before starting. For application, place the patch on a hair-free area like shoulders, upper arm, or abdomen. Rotate locations daily. If adhesive residue remains, remove with warm soapy water and a face cloth. In summary, enjoy supported liver health, energy, and well-being with consistent use, hydration, exercise, and proper application. Get the most from your Vital Vigor Patches. Stay vibrant.